right, guys, so the last piece for the overhand sneak here that we're gonna do is do it bilaterally, which means we take away the catch-up strokes. I don't know why saying catch-up makes me laugh. Okay, we're gonna take away the kind of catch-up strokes and just go straight into the other side for the behind the back. So if I were just doing one side, what that would look like is I go over, behind, 1, 2. I kind of have these two hits in the front to allow me the kind of brain space to realize that my hand has to go behind my back on the next piece, okay? So now, if I want to do both sides at the same time, there is no point when I have a catch-up stroke. Everything is going behind my back, all right? So I want you to start with the rope behind you. As the rope flips over your head, you're gonna do what we did in the breakdown in the first video. You're gonna do a hit on the right and then a hit on the left, okay? So let's just go ahead and do that. Hit on the right, hit on the left, and sneak it over. So now it's behind my back again. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a hit on the right, a hit on the left, a hit on the right, and that's gonna take me into my overhand sneak on the other side. So let's start that from the beginning. Over, right, left, sneak, left, right, sneak, right, left, sneak, left, right, sneak, right, left, sneak. So it's like a 3-beat in the front. 1, 2, 3, sneak. 1, 2, 3, sneak. So I'm alternating sides, but I'm not going every stroke now, okay? But I can feel what it's like to have to alternate which arm goes behind my back, okay? That's an important piece here, is being able to feel what arm has to go behind your back to be able to make this rhythm happen. 1, 2, 3, okay, left hand behind, cool, good, right hand behind. Now what you're gonna do is as the rope is coming over your head from one sneak, you have to then sneak the other hand around, all right? So that's what that's gonna look like. So over my head, sneak, over my head, sneak, over my head, sneak, sneak, straight to the other side. Everything is alternating. Everything is alternating. 1, sneak, 2, wide behind, wide behind, wide behind, wide behind, wide behind, okay? So you go wide, you go behind with the right. You go wide, you go behind with the left. There is no catch up whenever you're doing the bilateral or the quick sneaks. What's cool about that, guys, is as soon as you get the hang, I say hang right as I hit myself in the head. As soon as you get the hang of going from side to side, you can start to add a little speed to it. You can add the weight shift. You can add some forward, backward. You can start to add some really cool stuff to your variety there whenever you get the ability to go from side to side like that and do the bilateral sneaks. Same applies with the underhand. You can start moving forward and backward. You can hit some lunges. You can hit some turns. All sorts of cool stuff that opens up to you and really, really, really nice for your range of motion for your shoulder. All right? So that's your overhand sneak bilateral. Have a good time with that one.